Various 750 mm, 2 feet 5 D2 in gauge railways operate in Ukraine as common carrier, industrial railway or children's railways. 750 mm, 2 feet 5 D2 in gauge common carrier lines in Carpathian Ukraine. Baragova Region Network, around 200 kilometers, initially built during the Hungarian Empire at the gauge of 760 mm, 2 feet 515 D16 in, and regauged to 750 mm, 2 feet 51 D2 in, when Ukraine became part of the Soviet Union. Uzhgorod Region, 35 kilometers, built at the gauge of 760 mm, 2 feet 515 D16 in, and regauged to 750 mm, 2 feet 51 D2 in. Antonivka system in West Ukraine. Built around 1900 at the gauge of 750 mm, 2 feet 51 D2 in, Central Ukraine. Haven Network, built around 1900 at the gauge of 750 mm, 2 feet 51 D2 in, 703 kilometers. Novopoltavta Railways. Vapniarta Railways, 140 kilometers, built at the 600 mm, 1 foot 11.5 D8 in, gauge by Germany, later regauged to 750 mm, 2 feet 51 D2 in. 750 mm, 2 feet 51 D2 in, gauge industry, agricultural and forest railways. Industrial, peat, sugar and forestry lines. Mikhailivka Sugar Railway 1932-1990. Ikturka Sugar Railway, 56 kilometers, 1940-1999. Potash Industrial Lines, 49 kilometers, 1933-2003. Smyha Peat Railways. Terezva Forestry Railway, 138 kilometers, built at the gauge of 750 mm, 2 feet 51 D2 in, and regauged to 760 mm, 2 feet 515 D16 in. Between the two world wars the region was a part of Czechoslovakia, and back to 750 mm, 2 feet 51 D2 in. Vigoda system, 180 kilometers of forest railways. 750 mm, 2 feet 51 D2 in, Pioneer Railways. 10 Pioneer or Children's Railways exist in various cities. Dnipro Pioneer Railway, 2 kilometers in the Globy Park in Dnipro, opened in 1936. Donetsk Pioneer Railway, 2 kilometers in the Leninist Komsomol Park in Donetsk, opened in 1972. Yevpatoria Pioneer Railway near Yevpatoria on the Crimea Peninsula, opened around 1990, abandoned. Kharkiv Pioneer Railway, 4 kilometers in the northern part of Kharkiv, opened in 1940. Kiev Pioneer Railway, 3 kilometers in the Soretskich Park in Kiev, opened in 1953. Lutsk Pioneer Railway in Lutsk, built 1952-1954. Lviv Pioneer Railway, 19 kilometers in the Strijskich Park in Lviv. Uzhhorod Pioneer Railway on the bank of the river Uz in Uzhhorod, opened in 1947. Rivne Pioneer Railway, 2 kilometers, in Rivne, opened in 1949. Zaporizhia Pioneer Railway, 9 kilometers, between the main railway station of Zaporizhia and the river Dnieper, opened in 1972. References